Hey y'all, welcome to the video. Welcome to the voiceover. As you can see, this is a decluttering video, so I'm just gonna do a talk over so this isn't like really long and just show you everything in my makeup collection, and then we're just gonna be decluttering. So yeah, and then I'm gonna tell you a little bit about how you can actually save a little bit of money when you shop my closet on Poshmark. As you guys know, I always shop on Poshmark. I love Poshmark. I also sell on Poshmark. And if you guys have not signed up to Poshmark yet, you can actually use my code, my referral code, CONNORKRYSTYN, and save $10. You get a $10 credit. You can shop any closet you want. It doesn't have to be mine, but you do get the $10 credit to shop for Poshmark if you sign up and use that code. If you've already signed up and you have already like made a closet, you can actually just re-sign up. Why not? Who cares? And you can use my code again so you can save $10 more. So, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, huh? That's like swindling the system a little bit, but you know what? It's a $10 credit, okay? It's a good deal. Anyways, so I decluttered like all of my single shadows pretty much from ColourPop, which I am going to be selling the entire like ColourPop PR box for the halo top, so be aware of that. Here I'm just getting rid of a few primers. I've never even used that primer before or that. um, I actually didn't get rid of that. I put it back in there, but ever since I started using my Juno & Co, I kind of just don't want to use any other primers, but I also like want to have options, if that makes any sense. Oh, this drawer was hard because I actually wanted to get rid of so much more than what you see right now. Like, I wanted to get rid of so much more. I cried almost getting rid of that Benefit thing, but I have two Benefit big cheek books already, but the Rocketeur blush is like my absolute favorite. Oh, and the Kylie, that one was hard, but I have other blushes now that I love more like over that, and I almost got rid of that, but then I was like, no, I love it. But yeah, I don't know, something about blushes and bronzers just kind of make me happy. That one, this Urban Decay, I might get rid of. I'm not sure because it is just a little too like red, like a little too warm for me, but you know. But pretty much everything in this drawer is brand new, so I don't know, it was hard to get rid of stuff. I went ahead and got rid of this one though, because since I have the newer Cocoa Contour, I didn't need that one, and since I have other bronzers that I didn't need that, because I have the big GLAM bronze, ooh, my face, gross, so I don't need that one anymore. Now I'm just reorganizing. God, don't you just love voiceovers? Okay, highlighter drawer, super exciting. I got rid of that Anastasia one before. Um, and yeah, here we are getting rid of it again. So sad. Honestly, I love the highlighters that I have that I'm just like not reaching for anything else. So it's like, why keep them in my collection if I'm not even going to ever pick them up or touch them? I know, it's insane. I can't believe I've been hung on to them as long as I did. I low-key kind of want to get rid of the Peppermint Frost palette and the Brain Freeze palette because I use those like not so often, but also my little heart would cry if I got rid of those, so I haven't yet. But one day I'm sure you guys will see that actually declutter from my collection. I actually decluttered quite a lot of Jeffree Star products, honestly. It's just all the makeup is very overwhelming. Ooh, not those hourglass blushes. Highlighters though, because those are the bomb. Now this drawer is intense. I actually got rid of lipsticks that I've only swatched. I've never like used, and it was kind of hard to just get rid of the ones that I did get rid of because pretty much 75% of my drawer I've never used any of the lip products, but I keep because I'm like, I know I'm gonna need that one day. Kind of like when you find something in a junk drawer and you're like, why do I have this? I've had it for years, and then you throw it away and then you realize like a week later, like, oh my god, I actually need that now for the first time ever. Like, insane. But yeah, I was kind of debating to, get rid of those, but I didn't. God, lipsticks are hard for me because I love lipsticks so much, And it's honestly giving me anxiety looking at this drawer and not getting rid of more, but also like I don't want to get rid of more because like what if I need one, you know? Here's my skincare drawer. This one's an overwhelming drawer because I have so much skincare and there's only so much skincare that you can actually use and it not like mess up like what you got going on because you shouldn't really like switch up your skincare that often because then like it kind of defeats the purpose of using it. But yeah, I got rid of the ones that I just know that I'm not going to use. Plus, I got rid of some cuticle oil that I know I'm not going to use. Those like $100 and something brushes that I've already had before. Like, I don't need those. So I got rid of them. Avocado glow recipe mask. I know I'm not going to use that. I pretty much looked at everything like, am I going to use it? Yes or no? And then I got rid of it. Here's my Jeffree Star drawer. I got rid of the mini breaker. I know. I have decluttered now 3 palettes of Jeffree Stars. I got rid of the blue blood. I know. I don't see myself using it really ever. And what's the point? I just took those out. I got rid of several of the lipsticks, but I just took that out so I could like see. Now we're moving on to palettes. That one was a cute palette, but I'm kind of over green, so therefore I got rid of the other Huda palette. And that one too, which kind of hurts my heart. That one I did a video on. Same with this one. I just haven't uploaded it yet, but peace out, Girl Scout. This one I used yesterday actually, and I was like, do I want to keep it? Oh, yep, goodbye. Goodbye. I used that one. That one was pretty, but like I have all those shades. Oh, these are the palettes that I've gotten rid of several times and then put back in my collection. You guys, I'm getting rid of them. I don't care. You're not going to see me put those back in my collection whatsoever. Promise you that. This one kind of hurt a little bit, but you know, they don't make that one anymore. So that one's kind of sad. I'm not selling that one. I'm going to give that one to my niece. Oh, this one I was excited for, but then I'm like, you know what? I don't think I'm ever going to use it, so it's got to go. Last drawer. Last drawer. I only got rid of a few palettes in this drawer. Honestly, I was like, do I even get rid of these or no? But I know I'm never going to use them. So like, what's the point in keeping them if you're not going to use them? So anyways, the video is almost over. Like I said, use the code CONNORKRYSTYN. You can actually get a $10 credit, shop any Poshmark closet, and that's basically like paying for shipping and then a few bucks off. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed. Come check out my closet, see everything that I'm selling, and yeah, this is the final look. Everything that I'm decluttering. Insane, honestly. And that's not even like my whole collection. Crazy. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.